This is my model. This is built made after look like Devil's Tower, and it's an ancient volcano. Erupted and formed into the Devil's Tower. It is located in Wyoming. Today's experiment is going to be vinegar, lemon juice, and baking soda.
Here is
my model.
Holy cow!
How? It went inside.
See? Lava goes everywhere. You can never predict where it might fall. It may have gone over the tower, or it went through the rocks where there's holes.
Huh.
And since there are many holes and it knocked over all the trees, what else would happen with the lava, do you think, if this actually happened?
It made everything turn into
Rock,
rocks.
right? And it's still fizzing. So, do you think it would fizz for a long time?
Yeah.
Alright, you gonna poke it?
Yes. We may need more.